What you can do to get the perfect wide body effect on your car?
When people are in the process of installing a widebody kit, they usually use wheel spacers to push the wheels outward, because nobody wants the car to look like there's a huge hole in the fender. With a widebody kit, the wheels should be wide apart to match the wide fenders, and wheel spacers are just the items that would do the trick for you. The best solution will always be to get wider, lower offset wheels fitting for the wider fenders. However, some people have a limited budget, thus you might have to compromise on second-hand wheels. To make these wheels fit properly, you need wheel spacers. By creating the offset, wheel spacers will solve most of the potential rubbing issues. Changing to bigger wheels and tires is an easy way to upgrade the look of your widebody car. They also improve the performance. However, there are some problems. If the new wheels and tires are bigger than the old ones, the tires may rub against the inner wheel well when operating a U-turn or when the suspension buttons out. To keep the wider wheels and tires functioning correctly, people turn out using wheel spacers. By moving the wheels out, wheel spacers reduce the offset and create more backspace. By bringing the wheels flush with the wider fenders, wheel spacers provide a better widebody look. However, if applied incorrectly, wheel spacers may cause rubbing issue. To make everything right, it is recommended to measure the wheel gap. If you intend to keep the current wheels, then you can measure directly. But if you would like to run aftermarket wheels, get these wheels installed, and then measure the wheel clearance. Take a straight edge and place it against the outermost part of the tires. Then measure from the outside wheel to the fender line to see how much space you have available. Repeat this on the front and rear wheels. The most important thing is to choose the right wheel spacers and competently install them for your widebody car. Then you are not going to have any problems. There are various thickness of widebody wheel spacers in the BONOSS store. They are made up of high-strength and durable 6061T6 or 7075T6 aluminum alloy, which helps them to not break into through elements or conditions. The global premium FT cooling technique effectively reduces brake fade, which is more functional and safer. BONOSS FT cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Only high-quality ISO-grade coconut wheel studs and ISO-grade 10 lug nuts are used. They feature 0.02 mm precision machined surface for properly fit and a better installation experience. They are specifically designed for your car configurations. Therefore, installing wheel spacers is the best solution for a widebody vehicle.
Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.